Little one right here in the middle. I'm gonna push up with your hand, okay? Another one here. What do you think of that? Refer all your friends to me. We're at Gentle Friends, which is kind of a sister organization of Gentle Giants Draft Horse Rescue.
Gentle Giants was formed in 2005, and our mission is to rescue draft horses from slaughter. They're a relatively uncommon breed, but we're seeing them grossly overrepresented in the horses that are exported for slaughter. And keep in mind, this is slaughter for human consumption. This isn't slaughter for dog food or byproducts or to feed animals at zoos. This is for people overseas to eat. Right now, we have about 141 horses here at the rescue with us. We rescue hundreds of horses every single year, and we've placed over 1,000 horses in adoptive homes.
So here we are with Rodney the Rooster. And what's Rodney doing today? Is he walking funny or?
Yeah, Rodney walks really funny, and he looks like he has something wrong in his pelvis. He walks stiff on the hind end and with his tail kind of sagging downward rather than sitting up nice and proud.
All right, well that's not good. I wouldn't want that for me. Hi Rodney, I'm gonna just check your little atlas first. There you go. Actually, I'm just gonna hold it till it shifts. So I'm on his left atlas. I'm just putting a little sustained pressure, and I'm also going from superior to inferior because it was a little high on the left. And I'm coming down his cervicals. And there's a little something down low at C5 on the left. I'm gonna switch to a pinky. Laterally flexing just a little bit. Okay. And now I'm coming down and feeling his spine, little backbones. Little one right here in the middle. I'm gonna push up with your hand, okay? Another one here. All right, now we gotta get down to the pelvis. This is where he has some symptoms. So now I'm on his little pelvis. Sorry, your big pelvis. I'm feeling where his back legs come in at the hips. And he's got a misalignment right at the sacral area on the right. And I would call it a sacral base posterior right. So I got to get in and level that for him because I think that's why he's walking gimpy. Let's see. I have my whole reputation on the line here. Okay, there. Actually clicked a little bit. Okay. That one I went even a little harder. And he also has a lower lumbar on the left. So he had a counter rotation where one side's pulling one way, one side's pulling the other way, like when you twist your forearm like this to each other when you're kids.
He must like this. He's like totally limp in my hands.
Ooh. All right. Let me just look at his little legs. I'm gonna take each leg out. You're coming really close. Let me have this back left first if I can. So here's the back left leg, right? And just going through there into the joint, motioning it, extending back. He shakes a little there, but he could be scared out of his mind because I'm touching him. And that leg's moving nice. Nice. One more time. Nice. Let's go back to this leg. You won't be able to see it so well on camera. But I'm just comparing them too. I get to learn how does the left feel to the right. Look, here it comes back to a little bit of extension. And I'm just checking everything out, checking all the little joints. He's really a nice guy, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm up in the hips again. Give him a little massage. There you go. Both legs, and they're even, which is kind of cool. I think there's something I missed up here. I'm gonna do just a little more on the atlas. Let me check the legs one more time because it'll reflect all the way down to the back end. All right, that's what I want to see. Thank you. All right. And now I'm gonna lift up a little bit. So I'm gonna grab the sacrum and stretch just a little bit. It's not a crack, it's just a range of motion. There you go. Yeah, so I'm basically flexing the back end up like this. Just making sure it's not stuck or fixated. So that's it for today. How do you feel? What do you think of that? Refer all your friends to me.
Good boy. All right, let's see how you do, buddy. Go, go, go. Much better.
Really? You think so?
Yeah.
His tail's up.
Normally his tail sags down.
Yeah, his tail's nice enough because I released the tail, the sacral apex. So look at how his tail is up and high.